Master your accent, using transcription tools to analyze pronunciation. Hello learners, welcome back to our series on accent reduction. Today, we are focusing on an exciting and productive topic: using transcription tools to analyze your pronunciation. This technique is incredibly powerful because it allows you to hear and visualize what you're saying, providing a clear path to improving your accent. Transcription tools are software or online services that convert spoken language into written text. These can be incredibly helpful for language learners, especially when it comes to analyzing and refining pronunciation. By transcribing your own speech, you can find out how well a neutral listener, like a computer algorithm, can understand your pronunciation. To use a transcription tool for accent analysis, simply speak into the tool's microphone. Let it transcribe your speech, then compare the transcription with what you intended to say. Look for words that were transcribed incorrectly, as these are likely the words you're mispronouncing or saying with a strong accent. Make a list of these words, and focus on them during your practice sessions. Remember, repetition is key to mastering pronunciation. The more you practice, the better you will become. Transcription tools are powerful, but they should be used strategically. They are most effective when used in combination with other methods. For example, it's beneficial to combine transcription tools with recorded feedback from native speakers. You can record your pronunciation of specific words or phrases, have it transcribed, and then share both the recording and transcription with a native speaker. This dual-layered feedback will give you both a detailed and a holistic understanding of how to improve. And that's it for today's lesson on using transcription tools to analyze pronunciation. Remember, improving your pronunciation and reducing your accent is a journey, not a race. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. They're your stepping stones to fluency. Keep practicing, stay patient, and you'll surely see progress. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.